this is an age-old wisdom. You don't lead people by telling them what to do. You lead people by asking them how you can serve them. And it's really hard to imagine how it would not be successful. You know, sometimes you have an angry cat that you've adopted from the shelter, that they come in angry and they may not adapt to you right away, but with enough loving kindness and enough patience and talking about, remember what you came here for. You came to make people feel better.